Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Ben Stiller, your producer, or executive producer, or whatever you want to call it. Um, I'm sorry I couldn't be there. Unfortunately, I just didn't want to go. I'm in California right now. This time of year, it's a really pleasant time of year here, and I heard it's been a little chilly there, and it rains occasionally, whatever. But in spirit, I so wanted to be there with you guys, and just let you know that this movie for me is, it's the culmination of a lot of years of um, of not work, but or even awareness, but really more of just living my life, and then getting a call one day and saying, "Hey, do you want to be a part of this movie?" And then me saying yes, and being told, well, you don't really have to do anything per se other than maybe talk to the director at one point, and that's it. Which to me is kind of like a dream movie, and it's the way I wish every working process could be, because it just really, it relieves so much pressure off of having to do anything at all. But the work you guys are doing is incredible, and I really look forward in the future to taking credit for it, and in the best possible way, and saying, hey, yeah, this is, this is what happened. I was a part of it in some way. My name is on it. Yay. That's it. Boom. And that's what show business is all about, isn't it, when you get down to it? But honestly, the dailies look incredible. What you guys are doing is incredible. We're about to see some cut footage that I had nothing to do with. The only thing I really had to do with on this movie, I would say, is is writing the original book. Good luck getting through the rest of the shoot. It's worth it. This movie's going to be very special, and I am going to take all the credit. Thank you.